Hey everybody, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm coming right back at you with another sneaker unboxing. If you've read the title, you know roughly what this is. You don't know roughly, you definitely know what this is. This is a Dunk Low, I hope. I hope it's the infrared colorway. We're gonna have a look. We got this package from our friends Attitude Inc. in Colchester. So I'm kind of excited to see what's in it. You are gonna have to speed up because look at the amount of brown. Like guys at Attitude, you have done an amazing job at sealing this up. We should probably speed up about now. Attitude Inc. in Colchester packaged this really well. So what have they've dropped something else in here. So we're gonna have a look. We're gonna have a look. Oh, whoa. Right, this is not what we're all here for, but let's have a look at this. Look at this little bucket hat. Anyway, put that to the side, so thanks guys. So, it's an orange box. It's an orange label box, not an orange box, orange label box. Oh, let's get rid of that, whoa. But look, the box has changed. Have we got another orange box down here, SJ? Have we got another orange label box down here, SJ? No, it looks like I shifted them all upstairs, but I think this is the new style box. Have a look at that. All right, have a look at that up there, overhead cam. There we go, so they've changed it from last year. I actually quite like this. I think that looks quite nice. I would go as to say is, I'd actually prefer that on the normal SB boxes, I think. But anyway, what have we got? A Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO, so the orange label. It's in neutral grey, cool grey black, and they are a men's UK 10.5. That makes them a US 11.5. And we've got that little thingy-bob there, SJ, as you can see. And they were RRP $79.99. That is UK pounds. So let's have a look. Thank you guys. They have gone overboard. We've got more stickers than you can shake a stick at. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. They weren't wrong. They weren't wrong. So first impressions, definitely infrared. We're just going to just shuffle a minute. SJ's going to have to adjust the lights because these are ever so slightly overexposed. I can see already. They are so bright. Oh, what? These, have a look everyone. Have a look. You there, have a look at that. First of all, what a lovely looking shoe. What a lovely looking shoe. Coming in for you, look at the sole. That is, I bet that colour's popping. And you on the old overhead, the laces are that bright that they're overexposed. So these are obviously inspired by the classic infrared Air Max 90 colorway, and obviously it's 30 years of Air Max 90. Can you believe it's 30 years since 1990? It's just nuts. That's just nuts. Like, that shouldn't be legal. It shouldn't be legal. But first of all, SJ, let's go back and have a look at the Dunk. So we've got also, the first thing I'd say is, so normally a Dunk's going to be perforated on the toe box, isn't it? These are clearly really, really inspired by the 90s because you've got this nylon mesh on the toe box there. You've got double stitching around here. You've got a really rough and tough suede there. That's a really nice tough suede. So this you'd normally see down here on the mudguard of a 90. They've literally ripped the 90 apart and gone, what can we stick on the Dunk? Just have a look at this. Have a look in there. It's so bright. It's so luminous. If it was, it's not luminous, is it? Like, my eyes are just, the lights are so bright, everyone. The lights are so bright that it's very, very difficult to see if this is a luminous sort of infrared. Let's have a look on the back, right? You know what we always say. Let's have a look. So SJ, have a look back there. Are they suitable for you? SJ scores of straightness.
Well, it's kind of straight. You know I just don't like how it looks.
Right. As always, SJ gives us her seal of approval on the Nike on the back. So yeah, look at that, everyone. Isn't it amazing? Alternate laces are these black standard Dunk laces. I don't think I'm going to swap these out. I like the white. I think the white is really nice. Of course, if you're new around here, you've made it this far in the video and you don't know what we do, well, we're Pint of Stuff and SJ's behind the camera over here, and we tend to do these sneaker unboxings which you're watching right now. We also do these cinematic on foot things, and we stream every Sunday night about 8 PM UK time. That is about 12 PM or lunchtime on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. And we talk about sneakers and other things, and lots of people come and join us, and we talk about Instagram, look at Instagram. We generally have a pleasant Sunday evening, as they say. Oh, these are so nice. I'm going to smell them, which is probably a bit weird. Yep, they've got a little bit of Jordan smell about the leather here. They must be using the same glue. It's it's a very unique smell. You know what I like about these, SJ, and we'll go in as well. See if we actually we're going to undead stock the laces on this one. These remind me of an old grey pair that I had that I absolutely beat the bejesus out of, and they're the ones that I managed to sprain my ankle in because I was wearing them very loosely while yomping through the woods. I'm a little bit jet lagged still, everyone, and so my words are going bleh. So yeah, I was walking with the dog in the woods with SJ, and I managed to completely completely sprain my ankle. I did hear it pop. It went. It's pretty disgusting, but yeah. So what do you think, SJ? Because you really liked them, and you obviously pointed your work colleagues onto these as well. Your thoughts now that you see them, and I'm really loving the fattish tongue as well.
Super nice, and yeah, I agree. They remind me of your grey ones.
Yeah.
The material on the toe box, you don't see that very often.
No, I really like this. It feels nice down there, but like
we haven't seen that on a toe box for a while.
No, what's interesting? So looking in here, there's actually a layer on the inside, so it still maintains the rigidity of the toe box. It's just not a mesh. Sorry, SJ, I'm being directed. So it still maintains that there, and in fact, people are going to shoot me now. Look, you can see there's a little bit of. Have a look again. Have a look at that. It's so nice. It's such a great shoe. You get the full view. There we go. There's not a lot to say. I think SB are really coming strong with their dunks this year already. It's February. Can you believe it? We're in February, and Nike SB are just dropping like shoe after shoe. I can't keep up at the moment. I can't keep up. It's going to be a massive year for them. I'm just having a look on the inside here. If there's anything special, it's just really clean. It's going to be really difficult to keep these clean. I'm going to say that. With this black leather here, yet with all this suede and this white, I live in the wrong country again. I need to live in a very hot country with just a bit of dust. No dirt, just dust on the sidewalks because, right, have a look everyone. Coming into you, we haven't actually been this close to this camera. Like, look at that. Is it focus? Cool. Yeah. What do you all think? Let us know in the comments. Did you manage to pick these up? Are you saving yourself for another dunk? Did you pick the Trucket up? Maybe you did. Did you pick the J1 pack up? Or are you waiting for the Strange Love? And of course, you might be watching this video in like August, or you could be watching this in 21-21. In fact, if you're watching this in 21-21, hey, what's the future really like? Actually, you could be watching this next year. So right now, it's February 2019. If you pick these up right, no, it's not, God. Right now, it's February 2020. This video is going all wrong, everyone. It's going all wrong, that's all I'm gonna say. Let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like it, give us a thumbs down. Let us know why you don't like these shoes. Like, what's not to like about them? They are amazing. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to join us on Sunday nights as well for Sneaker Streaming Sundays. And I suppose that's all for me to say is thank you, and we will see you probably in the next video. See ya. I forgot, if you've made it this far, probably the end screen's over there. Like, you know, that end card thing from YouTube. At least if you're on your desktop watching this. Somewhere down here, don't forget to click one of those other videos. It really does help. Anyway, I'll see you all later. Bye. So SJ, thoughts?
It's nice, it's just going to get dirty quick.
It is, isn't it? They're so bright. I can't, like, my eyes are literally melting. Like, I can't look at the sole too much because it's so blinding. It's like under these lights, and we turn a bulb off, everyone, and still, like, it's like, oh, I can't see. I can't see.
In fact, you can see it even more.
Oh my word. Like, we've turned the lights right down. Look at that. Look at that, it's glowing. It's literally glowing. Like, this is ridiculous. I didn't realise.
Clues in the name.
Well, it is very true. It's infrared. At least Arnie's not going to come and find us. And again, massive thanks to Attitude Inc. in Colchester. Yep. So, thanks everyone. Bye.